is okay to have two Open Sky credit cards, but I just suggest that people just get one Open Sky credit card, start building your credit up, and then try to see if you can get approved for other credit cards. I just don't think that you need to have two of the same credit cards, especially a secure credit card like Open Sky. A lot of times, Open Sky may be able to graduate your secure card. That's the new feature that they have. They may be able to graduate it. When that graduates, then you need to go ahead and get other credit cards because your credit score should be a lot higher by that point. You shouldn't you shouldn't get two of those. Try to get other credit cards like the Credit Builder card. Try to get like a Navy Federal, Discover Secure card, Capital One credit card, but you don't need two Open Sky secure credit cards. I suggest you go ahead and get other secure credit cards if you need to just try to build your credit. Now, I talked to Open Sky and they was telling me like, yes, we are definitely graduating people now. Because at first, Open Sky, you didn't get to graduate that. That's not like what they had. But now they have it where you're able to actually have that graduated. So that's good. And they did say you can apply for another one. But in my head, I'm thinking, I'm seeing so many people increase their credit score with Open Sky and in 3 months be able to get a lot of credit cards that's unsecured. So in my mind, it's like, why would you want to do that? Like, why would you want to go that route to get another Open Sky card? Just leave it alone, you guys. You don't have to get another Open Sky card. You'll be good with just that one that you have and start building your credit.